Welcome to the video on the installation of SenservaPro. SenservaPro is a solution that helps identify vulnerabilities within your Azure Active Directory. It helps eliminate misconfigured and overprivileged user accounts and applications. SenservaPro can be installed directly through the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. There are two ways to go ahead and get the installation process started. The first is to visit the Marketplace directly. Click Get It Now, which would prompt you to log in with your Azure Active Directory account and go through the process I'm about to show you in a moment. The other way is to go directly into your Azure Portal, go to the Marketplace, search for SenservaPro, select what plan you would like to install, click Create, and from here it's going to ask you to create a resource group or attach the product into an existing resource group. It's going to ask for your contact information. And it's going to ask you to name the application. The Managed Resource Group is something that Senserva installs within your environment for you automatically, and that information is already populated. From here, we're going to click Review and Create. It's going to ask you to grant permission. And upon doing so and clicking Create, the installation process will start. Once completed, you'll be notified via email, and within your Azure portal, you'll have an app service that's created. From there, you can go into the app service, you can click on the URL, click Browse. Both will get you to your product where you're able to then start your first scan with SenservaPro. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out at info@senserva.com, visit our website at www.senserva.com, or give us a call. Thank you for your time and have a great day.